Hold on, I'll wink when I'm ready.
Hey guys, Charles Phillips here with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people. Today I'm going to go over one of the real nice interior features of the 2019 Buick Enclave Premium. It's going to be called the EPS, or Electronic Precision Shifter. Real easy to use. It's kind of a little overwhelming when you first see it, but really easy to use. So first thing you're going to do to shift out of gear in any vehicle is put your foot on the brake. Alright, now to put the vehicle into reverse, there's a button on the left side of the shifter. You're going to simply press that down with your thumb, take the shifter up and over to the left, and you see it light up in red to let you know you're in reverse. So once you have it in any gear, you can just simply tap it to get it back into drive. Just pull back on it and you see it go into drive there. Then you can pull back once more and you go into low gear. And then to put it in park, real easy, just press the P button and you're in park. So now a safety feature that Buick built in is if you do forget to put the vehicle in park and you open the door, it'll automatically engage the parking brake. That way you don't roll away and forget to put the vehicle in park. So one more time, we'll show you how to do reverse. But of course, foot on the brake, button on the left, up and over to the left, and you're in reverse. To put it in drive, simply tap back, in drive, tap back once more and you're in low. And for park, simply press the P. So there it is, guys, the Electronic Precision Shifter in the 2019 Buick Enclave Premium. You can reach me at 903-374-0227 or 903-371-1091. Once again, my name is Charles Phillips with McKaig Chevrolet Buick, your East Texas dealer for the people.